Hello everyone. Today we're going to be, it's a very short video and it's mostly just taking the actual output from a NEO-6M GPS module. It's super simple video. I do plan on doing more with these modules. I want to make a clock. I think that'd be pretty cool, but for now we're just taking the outputs and mapping them using just the Arduino. We're taking UTC time, UTC date, and then my time zone. You can also adjust that. And then we're also getting altitude, header, details like that. So the code is pretty simple, and I'll show you the outputs. There is a bug, and that's mostly because my UTC is EST. So that means that you are 5 hours minus UTC, which means it causes a bug when it's midnight UTC. It creates a negative value, so that's wrong, but whatever. It doesn't need to be that precise. And the code will be linked down below. Feel free to use it. All right.